Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and black's pawns are moving downward in this direction. Specifically, the pawn on a2 is close to the promotion square. We have a rook and a queen, and we can actually deliver checkmate in only 2 moves. So your job is to find that precise move to checkmate the poor black king in the next 2 moves. So that is your challenge and actually the purpose of this puzzle. So guys, go ahead, pause the video and try to just simply guess the move on your own. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So we do have a rook and a queen, and this pawn is really close, and some of you may think rook to a4 is going to be checkmate on the next move, but the thing is now black can make a queen and there is no checkmate, right? So this is not checkmate, and you may probably play this check, and black is going to block that, and you may probably play this check, but these checks wouldn't just take you anywhere. They are just going to be perpetual checks, and this is going to be a draw. And even if you win from that point, it wouldn't be count as solving the puzzle, because the puzzle is going to be solved in 2 moves. It's made in 2. So what can you do? Well, the problem is actually this pawn, right? So if you play any rook move, it would be just a queen like this. Black would promote it, and you wouldn't have any chance of checkmating. And the other thing you may probably play is putting your queen behind the rook, so that when black promotes, you would actually play a move like this, for example, and you probably think this move is good, but again black would block this, and again black would block this, and actually you can win this, right? You can capture this and deliver a checkmate, but this is not the correct solution, because the puzzle is to solve the position in 2 moves, to deliver a checkmate in 2 moves. So what is the correct move? The correct move is to play rook to b1. It is sacrificing the rook. It looks very dumb, but that is the only correct move. So if black promotes to a queen, we simply capture that. We would have the opportunity to capture the queen and deliver a checkmate, right? So what if black captures the rook? Well, now when black captures the rook with a pawn and gets a queen, the queen would be promoted on the b file, and the queen cannot just control the a file, right? So we can actually play queen to a5 and deliver a devastating checkmate. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.